established back in 2010. I've been in the game since 2005, working with different people around from the city, of course. Started with another clothing line. Everything fell off due to loyalty. So I wanted to create something more pure, something more relevant to the regular people, and also try to inspire other people to create like a YMCA for people in different cities, you know what I'm saying? So like a home for them to go to feel comfortable in. And that's what we pretty much try to do, is just try to empower the youth to commit to their dreams and do what they can to succeed, to never give up on themselves and always to believe in themselves, always. In 2010, we created Delazar. We try to incorporate those 7 commandments in our everyday lives, to stay strong and to never give up on themselves, and it's going to be okay, and always to have faith in everything that you do. Coming up trying to figure out how we're going to be able to express Elazar. We do a lot with the universe because we feel that what you put out in the universe, you will get it back in return tenfold. The main slogan is loyalty is royalty. Life is real. Legacy is revolutionary. Love is respect. Learning is resourceful. Food is ruthless. Luxury is relevant.